Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the gear, check the stabilizer battery, and have a cable ready. Attach the clamp, making sure the phone lens sits over the gimbal axis. This reduces torque and makes balancing easier. Once done, tighten the clamp just enough to prevent slipping, not crushing the frame. Make sure to remove bulky cases or the weight shifts. You'll notice less motor strain when the phone's center of gravity aligns with the stabilizer pivot. Now you fine-tune balance. Hold the gimbal off and adjust roll, tilt, and pan so the phone stays level when motors are off. This minimizes motor load. Slide the clamp in small increments, think 1/2 mm, until it rests neutrally. Once balanced, power on the stabilizer and run its auto-calibration, or use manual trim to remove residual drift. This step matters because a well-balanced phone extends motor life and yields smoother tracking when you move. Finally, practice basic motions. Gentle pans, smooth tilts, and follow mode transitions. You'll want to move your whole arm, not just the wrist, for fluid footage. If you see jitter or drift, stop, rebalance, and recalibrate. Often the issue is slight offset or too heavy accessories. Once done, confirm firmware is current and inspect motor temps and connection pins for debris. If problems persist, remove extra accessories and test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.